We're having a little fall teaser here, folks. We need a light coat on right here. We're actually getting cold.
Yeah, I said I should have brought a jacket out here.
I'm really kidding, but it is a nice morning.
Southerners, when that first little cool breeze hits, we grab out the sweatshirts, you know.
All right, boys, it's coat weather. Put your jackets on. It's gonna be windy today.
It's a shame the wind can't blow down like the trees or things that you want it to blow down, you know?
Yeah. We wanted to blow down some money. It's never happened. Want to load the flatbed and just haul it down there? There you go. Probably the easiest. This here is what you call ear protection. Works in a lot of areas. This is good for a lot of things.
Oh yeah.
And today we're using it on our ears.
That was a pretty tall piece of that tree. I mean, the branch fell from right there and the top of it went all the way to there where we've been taking it down.
I'll step back.
He's going ahead and cutting that one just in case it's the next one to fall onto the road here. Go ahead and get that one.
Okay.
That's good.
So this is the way tree service is supposed to work, folks. We go out with the saw. Your wife tells you. I'm gonna tell you all a little something about whenever I was younger. My daddy had me up in this tree cutting limbs like that, you know. And we started out. Daddy was just like, "Cut that limb right there, son." So I get up there and then he's like, go ahead and cut that one right there. And then I climb up a little higher. Then we'll get another one. Then Mama pulls up and I'm way up there. And she says, "Hey Ed, what is he doing?" And Daddy said, "He's cutting limbs down." And I mean, I was like way up in that doggone tree. That's what Fallon was trying to do, is send me way up there. She wanted me in the canopy so I could really overlook the neighborhood, make sure everybody's safe. Yesterday morning, I stepped in them jeans and I felt something kind of move in my leg and I was like, And then I was fixing to brush my teeth, I think, and then I felt that joker move again. I was like, uh-oh, we got a spider in here or something? And so it moved again, I believe, and I jerked my boot off and started shaking my leg like that. Like that. These are things that happen when you're by yourself. And all of a sudden, this little piece of tape fell out on the floor and I was like, whew. Things was fixing to get serious. I'm just trying to say, if there was a spider, not that I'm scared of spiders, but I don't want him in my shirt or in my jeans. My kids, they put stuff in my boots. They do this stuff for me to find it. Little toys. And I pull my boot on and feel a little something in my boot and I'm like, what in the world? They do it just to have fun.
Yeah, it might be like a marble or a little toy dinosaur.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, ladies. Okay, y'all, it's a little bit after 3. We gotta run to Ingles real quick because we ran out of milk and bananas. Milk and bananas are a big thing around here. Oh, I have sap. I forgot I have sap all over me from where I went up there with them when they were cutting that tree. Oh, look, they got some mums. You know it's getting close when Ingles puts out the mums. I'll do barbecue, Sissy. Just the way it goes. When you come in the grocery store, you start remembering all the other things that you were out of. It goes from like 3 things to 10, and you gotta get out of here. They have marshmallow pumpkins. Oh, they have a pumpkin and sea salt caramel. Taste test. Chili season's coming. They've got this all set up for chili over here. The slow cooker and all, right here. Everything you need for chili. Apple cider station too. Ooh. It's Russell Stover's pumpkin sea salt caramel covered in dark chocolate. Let's see what we got. Oh.
Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
The name of the balls.
That's good.
Yeah, it tastes like Three Musketeers.
Three Musketeers used to be my favorite candy bar when I was a kid.
Really?
Yeah. Then
I was always Snickers. Snickers was always my favorite.
Switched to Milky Way, I think. Then I went to, I always hated Snickers.
My favorite's Butterfinger.
I hated them.
No.
But that changed.
Butterfinger is my second favorite.
Butterfinger has
It hurts my teeth.
Never been my thing. I kind of like it in a blizzard.
Yeah. Did y'all know that the Snickers candy bar is named after the Mars family's horse? His name was Snickers.
That's a good name for a horse.
That one's marshmallow. We know that one's good.
This one's gonna be very good.
Right here is where the water comes through from under the ground. They're over there seeing if they can unstop it, because somewhere along the way underneath something or somewhere it stopped up. So we're gonna start unstopping it. See how it's barely trickling out. It should be coming. It's about the same right now. There's still a lot of small twigs and all over here that we need to get up. This was all, y'all saw it last week. It was like just brush and stuff everywhere.
I can do everything you can do.
You can? Mama?
Mm-hmm.
He says he can do everything Daddy can do.
Mm-hmm.
You do this then.
Do it, Manny. Go, go, go. Woo!
Whoa!
I can do everything that you can do.
We're making a new driveway right there, everybody. I'm getting Tyler to try it out right now. That's gonna work.
Yeah. Y'all see that?
That's not bad breath. It's just colder this morning. Like, this is actually cool enough that you gotta have a little light coat on.
Yeah.
It's definitely a nice morning.
All right, we are back inside now. It's time. I just noticed that that little tree that had a few orange leaves on it like a week and a half ago is full orange now. Today's window cleaning day, so don't focus on the window, but right there, do y'all see that? Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, got distracted by the leaves, but it's time for the kids to be getting up and get ready for school now. While they're getting ready, I'm gonna make a blueberry crumble with toasted almonds. So first we need to toast the almonds. I'm just gonna use the air fryer. I have a coffee liner that I'm gonna use to put the almonds in. We have some in here. These are just the slivered almonds. We need about a 1/4 cup, so I'm just gonna eyeball that. There we go, and I'm just gonna toast them at 375 for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going with 2 minutes, that way I don't burn them, and then we'll see if they need another minute. I need to wash the blueberries real quick, and we'll grab out our other ingredients. We need blueberries, all-purpose flour, old-fashioned oats. I already got those out. I had to refill my oat container. Baking powder, cinnamon, salt. We've got the almonds toasting, and butter, and just a little bit of brown sugar and maple syrup. How much butter? 3 tablespoons. Oh, that's just about what I've got right there. I'm gonna wash the berries real quick. check the almonds. I think they can go 1 more minute, so we'll let them go for right there. I accidentally pressed seal on my vacuum sealer. Sounded like a cow for a minute. I'm just gonna spray this casserole dish. We're gonna pour the berries right into the casserole dish. We need about 3 cups. I've got some fresh and some frozen. We'll just mix those together. Almost forgot the lime juice. We're just gonna squeeze a little bit in here with the berries. Mix that around in there. The oven's ready. We're gonna put 1½ tablespoons of all-purpose flour in here with the berries and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, we're just gonna mix that all together. And we'll go ahead and pour over about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball that here, drizzle it over. And you can do all brown sugar instead of the maple syrup if you want to. So you would need around 4 to 5 tablespoons of brown sugar if you wanted to do it that way. We'll just scoop this over for a second. In here, we need 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats. About 4½ tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I did forget the cinnamon. We need some cinnamon. About 1/2 teaspoon. We'll just eyeball that. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I forgot a lot of things, y'all. I thought I had everything over there. It's still early. Still getting woke up here. A pinch of salt. And the 3 tablespoons of butter. Now we're just gonna, I'm actually gonna grate the butter in. I think that'll be easier. Now we're gonna take our toasted almonds and chop them just a little bit. Now we add this right in here. Mix that all together. Okay, now we put this all over the top of the berries. That's it. It goes in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Really good, perfect for a cool, almost fall morning. If you've ever had a blueberry crumble candle, it makes your house smell great. That's what it smells like in here right now, but it's the real deal.